Hey guys, so I'm gonna be doing so much on this channel. So this is gonna be my first introduction video to my channel, and it's gonna be all about skincare, beauty, natural skincare, organic, cruelty free. You can even do all of this stuff at home if you want, but I also have a business that I'm launching as well. So if you guys want to be supporting black owned business or just natural, organic, cruelty free business, this is also vegan friendly. Alright, so it's suitable for the whole family. Everything that I use is suitable for the whole family. So if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. My body butters are super moisturizing. I've been using it for my whole pregnancy last year. I've even used it on my newborn babies. I've got 4 kids and I use it on all my kids. Alright, so this is going to help all of you guys that have dry skin, especially during winter. Autumn winter has our skin looking all sort of different ways, and we don't like that. We're not going to accept no ashy skin. So we also gonna have some soap making on my channel. Okay, so if you want to see me make some organic soaps, alright, also vegan friendly, because I do not like to use any sort of milk products in my soap. So if you want to see more videos like that, please stay tuned. This soap here is super great for eczema, sensitive skin, and it is going to make your skin super soft because it's oats and it's so good. But if you want to see more videos like this, as I said, you need to subscribe to my channel. I'm 36 years, guys. I'm 36 years young. I'm gonna say that now. So if you guys see me in a video and you don't believe me, yes, I'm 36 years old, 4 kids, and very happy with the skin that I'm in. So this is why I decided to make this channel and share with you guys my secrets of how I grow my locks, grow my hair, keep my skin looking healthy and young at this age. Okay, if you want to know the secrets, I'm gonna share it to you. I'm gonna share it the best way I can. So as I said, if you want to see more, let me know what you want to see on my channel. Let me know what will help you, and if you haven't seen anything on any other YouTube channels, let me know what you want to see on my channel. This is my skin. I've been using this facial oil I've been making for the past 4 to 5 months. I've been working on it and it's been doing so good for my skin. So I can't wait to show you guys this recipe I've been using. So stay